makeup today. Don't want to do any makeup. Well, I'm going to do eventually a few videos today since I have time. I want to do like a decluttering because I keep buying more makeup and I don't have the space for it. I don't. And there's something that I bought was very cool. I want to try out. On camera, sorry, Isabel's right there. She's playing her Lego game on PlayStation. It's like a little mess here. Sorry about that because I'm cleaning. Well, I was cleaning. I just gotta fix some stuff there. But I want to do my nails. Hubby bought this for me. This is the, what are you? This is the Power File Deluxe. This, you know, when you put acrylic on your nails, you know, all that stuff, you know, to file it down. It has like pretty much all of the things right here, as you can see. This is the Kiss New York brand. They have this in Bed Bath & Beyond. I saw it for like $15, but he bought this on Amazon, and I want to open this up real quick. I haven't tried it. I don't have nails. I took the nails off that I have on, so I want to put fresh ones on because send me a message from CVS. I did my nails. It came out nice. The only problem is that it has some bumps, and I had a cheap nail filer, and I'm trying to, and it's very hard to just make everything smooth with just a nail filer. You need the machine. Trying to do this. I don't want to do my nails while she's here, so she's gonna have to get out. Well, I'll go to the kitchen and do it. Oh, she stays here. Okay. Oh, I don't like this stuff. Like this stuff inside. Oh, it just trying to take this out slowly. Okay, now you're not coming out. Okay. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, nothing there. Everything is inside. Everything right there. Oh, I like this, guys. This is really cool. It's like a little compartment. Okay. Sorry about like the sun. I should like close this. I don't want to get up right now. So it comes with, this is not like a battery operator. You need to put batteries. No, this has its own little charging thing. Just plug it in. I heard some good and bad reviews on this. A lot of people are saying that once you file it down, it doesn't, like the power on it is very weak, which I want to try it and I want to test it here before actually doing my nails. I mean, I've kind of used to, before I used to do my nails a lot, but I was a lot younger and they would break easily, you know. Now, like, I'm more careful. Okay, move my chair. Let me plug this in. Okay, and that's plugged in. And then you plug it in from down here. Let me move that, guys, a little bit. There you go. You won't see the glare on this side. Okay. So it's on, as you can see. And which one I'm going to use? I'm going to use this pointy one right there. Oh, so it has 2 speeds, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that well. It has like the line and then 2 lines and then the 0, you know, that's like off, of course. I wanna, oh, I see what they're talking about. I mean, you can see it, it's all of the gunk is coming out, all the white stuff, as you can see. But you see, if I press down, it stops. So you can't press down really hard. Like the professional ones, especially in the nail salon, that one has a lot more power to it. So, you know, with those, you actually have to be careful because you can. But this right here is a lot, I guess, a lot of taking, not taking your time, because I don't think you can kind of mess this up with this little guy right here, but it's a lot more filing you have to kind of do with this. So I'm going to use another one. I'm going to use this one right here. Try it out. Get in here. So that's on 1. This is on 2. This is a lot better than filing my nails. Like, that right there was like this the whole time. It's not cool at all. So this is really cool. They have different stuff like to polish your nails. Like, I don't know what is this thing right here. I think that's for the ends. Yeah, like when you have your nails, you do it there. Can't put down your skin, of course. But this is really, really cool, guys. I am going to do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails, but I'm not gonna do it here. I'm going to do it in the living room. So if you guys want to see that video, of course it's gonna be a little long video. Of course, I'm gonna probably speed it through because I don't want you to kind of it being like a 40-50 minute video and you're like, okay, like we already know you did one finger already, like get through the rest. So like I guess I'll do one finger and then just talk to you guys and then speed through the rest of the fingers until it gets time to paint my nails. So I'm going to do that. That will be in the next video. I'm not gonna put that video with this one. I just doing like a little unboxing on the Kiss New York. This is really cool. I went to my local beauty supply store and I got some of their items there. Like the acrylic, the liquid, the brush, the nails. I think I got the nails there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I got the nails there. But that brand is kind of like a well-known brand. But yeah, guys, I can't wait. I also bought some stuff. I'm gonna show it to you now. I bought some stuff from Dollar Tree. I got these cute little nail filers. They're like small. It comes with 24, which they're really thin. It can get like in there. I bought, let me see, I went to the beauty supply store and I bought these cute little flowers that I could, you know, do something. And then I bought the bowls, as I think, I don't know if I showed you on the video. Yeah, I don't think so. Well, these are little bowls I found at Dollar Tree. I bought another one because they're so cute. I also bought this brush from this company. It comes with 2 brushes. You know, I can put everything and smooth everything out. easily. And also, what else? Something else. That's about it. Yeah. Oh, I bought this nail polish from my local beauty supply store. One thing I'm going to do, I bought these little glitters. This one's so cute. And then this one right here. I want to do something with it. I want to invent something. I love glitter nail polishes. I do. I love it. And I want to see, I have the little little organizer thing, and I can put, you know, one color in each. I want to do something with it. I don't know. I'm trying to debate either I can put like a clear coat, kind of dip my finger a little bit like on the tips, like on the ends, and then let it dry down, then go on top with a clear coat as well to stick it. Or I can mix it in a little bit with like a clear nail polish, mix it and then just, you know, brush it on. I don't know. I want to do something. I don't know. I'm debating. What I want to do. I want to do something different. Something cute but different. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to do my nails in a few. I want to do it before hubby comes because he has asthma. Of course, I have history, but it doesn't bother me. And then that's why Isabel's going to stay here and I'm going to be out there doing it. But yeah, guys, if you want to see me do my nails, you know, remember, I'm not a pro at this. I might be doing a step wrong. I might not be adding something. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. I mean, when I did my nails, when I did this, it was for the fun of it, and it came out nice. It came out nice, but now I got the machine. It can be a little better, and I got more other stuff. Please stop. I'm not playing with you. I'm gonna turn off the game.
No.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go before she starts acting up. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also you can comment down below if you do your own nails. Let me know. Give me some tips, some tricks. You know, if you also know any other YouTube pages that they do their own nails from home, let me know, because I like makeup. I like to watch a lot of videos of makeup and learn. I would like to do my nails as well. So yeah, guys, if you want to see my soon to be video that I'm gonna make, shut your mouth. So just stay tuned for that video. I will be posting it soon. So yeah, guys, let me go because I see her. Oh my god. Okay, guys, bye.